Hey everybody, welcome back here again. Now let's talk about a tool which is a very useful tool to help you to find about the Tor bandwidth and speed limit. So the tool name is NYX. It is not by default installed in the Kali Linux or even in the full version of the Kali Linux, but it is easily available on the Kali Linux repository. Just type here in the root terminal, like give the root permission sudo su, and then you need to type here apt install NYX and press enter. So I recently installed this tool. That's why it showed me it is already installed. Clear it. Okay. So firstly I need to check that is my Tor service is running or not. Like if I run here systemctl status Tor. Okay, it show me loaded no, inactive dead or disables or reset. Inactive no, inactive dead. So press Q to exit from here. Now you need to run the Tor first. Let me show you if I directly type here NYX. So it show me unable to connect to Tor. Are you sure it's running? Okay. So let me show you in practical. Open one more terminal, drag here. Also give the root permission to the second terminal, this one, clear it, and also clear it. All right, now in one terminal you need to type here service tor start and press enter, and here you need to type here proxy chains for one more thing, you need to exit from here and type here proxy chains, then Firefox, and open in the private window after applying the proxy. Which website you want to open? I want to open duckduckgo.com. So I type the link. All right. Now as you know that the proxy chains cannot run without the Tor services. You need to run the service Tor start this command first, and then the proxy chain will be work. So if you type here now, because the Tor service is already started, now if you type here NYX and press enter, it show you the download and upload speed. Okay, now here if I use the Tor services through the proxy, then let's see that is it show me or not. Okay, I'm using the proxy chains. You can see the proof here. And Tor show me the download speed and upload speed here. So NYX is definitely working. Alright, so here is the configuration file. Let me search here. What is my IP address? Then press enter. And let me see here. Alright, so it is an accurate download speed that the proxy chains are using. This tool is very helpful when you are using the Onion Share or Tor browser or any Tor services in your system. That's it. Now let's open this website. Okay, I got the IP of United States, which is 185 point something, and here. So I hope you learn it. I hope you this is a new thing for you, that how you can track the Tor bandwidth, like download and upload speed. Tor client actually. Okay, that's it. Now let me close everything here. Stop it, and also stop the proxy chains and close this extra terminal. Just drag it here and clear it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.